How to register Notion with EDU email. Want premium Notion features for free? Let's register with your EDU email and unlock Education Plus plan. So, go to Notion sign up page and then go ahead and enter your school email ending with .edu or your institution's domain. Verify your email by clicking the confirmation link. Now, once logged in, go ahead and head to settings and members, and under plans, you'll see Educational Plus available. Activate it to unlock unlimited blocks, file uploads, and advanced collaboration tools. So you can also create it manually. You can also create it by selecting Google as your sign up method. So once you're signed into your account, go ahead and scroll down to the left side and then select settings, and that will take you here. So in here, scroll down at the left side, select upgrade plan, and you should find the educational plan in here. So make sure to activate it to unlock unlimited blocks, file uploads, and advanced collaboration tools. If you're part of a student organization, you can apply for a free plus plan with unlimited members. Submit the application through Notion's education page. With Education Plus, you get unlimited blocks, file uploads, collaborator tools, and advanced permissions, all free for students and teachers. And that is how to register Notion with Edu email.